Hello students, welcome back to my channel Divyas Maths. Today in this video we will be solving exercise 5.2 from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions. In this exercise we have total 20 questions. So in this video we will be solving question number 3. So let's get started. Let us see the third question. So we have total 5 bits in the third question. Let us solve one by one. So the first bit is, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. So this is the AP he has given. This is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. Okay. So here you only have 3 terms. Clear? Now we know 2 is the first term. That is A is 2. Right? So we need to find the second term. And we also know the third term, which is 26. So if we want to find the second term, we will add common difference to the first term to get the second term, right? So here we do not know what is the common difference. So by using the first term and the third term, we will try to find the common difference and we will try to find the second term of an AP. Okay. So let us take the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. So here first we will try to find the common difference using this third term. Okay. So now let us take the formula for A3 because we know the third term of an AP. Okay. So A is 2 here plus what is N value? This will be the N value 3 minus 1 of D. A3 is 26. 26 is equals to 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into D. So I'm just sending this 2 to LHS, which is 26 minus 2 is equals to 2D. So this will be 2D is equals to 24. D is equals to 24 divided by 2, which is 12. Okay. Now we know the value of D, which is 12. Now let us find the second term. Okay. So if we add common difference to the first term, you will get the second term, right? So A is 2 plus D, which we have got, is 12. So the second term will be 14. So A2 will be 14. Clear? Let us solve the next bit. We know this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Okay. He has given only 4 terms in this AP. Clear? Now let us find first term and third term of an AP. We know the second term, which is A2, is 13. And the fourth term, which is A4, is 3. Clear? Like the first bit, using A2, we will find the value of A1. Clear? The first term. Now, so the formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So here A2, because we know the value of second term. So we will take A2 is equals to A plus what is N? N will be 2. 2 minus 1 of D. So A2 is 13 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1 into D is D. Okay. So we need to find the value of A, which is first term, right? So let us take D to LHS, which becomes 13 minus D is equals to A. Okay. So let us take this as equation number 1. In the same way, we will also use the fourth term, which is A4 is equals to 3, and get the value of A3. Okay. We know the formula, which is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. So we are using A4. So let us take A4. A4 is equals to A plus n is, here n will be 4. 4 minus 1 of D. Okay. So A4 is 3 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into D is 3D. Now see here, we know the value of A, which is 13 minus D, right? So substitute the value of A here. So which becomes 3 is equals to, A is 13 minus D, 13 minus D plus 3D. So this will be 3 is equals to 13 plus 2D. I'm just sending this 13 to LHS, which becomes 3 minus 13 is equals to 2D. So which will be minus 10 is equals to 2D, and D is equals to, this 2 ones, 2 5s, right? D is equals to minus 5. Okay. So this is the common difference we have got, right? Which is minus 5. If we know the common difference, we can add the common difference to the first term to get the second term, right? A2 is equals to A plus D. Yes. And here we know second term. We need to find the first term. So how will you do? You will take D to LHS. A2 minus D is equals to first term. Okay. So A is equals to, we know A2, which is 13, minus common difference is minus 5, which is 13 plus 5. So the first term is 18. Okay, the first term is 18. And how do we find the third term? If we want to find the third term, that is A3, we will add common difference to the second term so that we can get the third term, right? So here A3 is equals to, A2 is 13 plus common difference we have minus 5, right? So A3 will be 13 minus 5, which is 8. Okay. So the first term is 18 and the third term is 8. Okay. This is 18 and this is 8. Clear? Now let us see the third bit. So this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term, and this is your fourth term, right? So he has given us A is equals to 5 and A4 is equals to 9 1 by 2, which is 19 by 2. Yes. So first we will find the common difference like the previous questions. Okay. Once we get the common difference, it is easy to find A2 and A3. Clear? So we know A value, the first term, and we know the A4 value, which is the last term, right? So using A4, we will try to find the common difference. Okay. So the formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. Okay. So we will be using A4. Okay. The last term. That is A4 is equals to, here A is 5, right? The first term, and N minus 1 of D. What is N here? N is this 4. Okay. I'm just replacing N with 4. So A4 is 19 by 2 is equals to 5 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into D is 3D. Now I am just sending this 5 to LHS, which becomes 19 by 2 minus 5 is equals to 3D. So if you take an LCM, you will get 2. 19 minus 5 into 2 is 10 is equals to 3D. This is 19 minus 10 is 9 by 2 is equals to 3D. So if I want D value, I will send this 3 to LHS. So this becomes D is equals to which is 3 ones, 3 threes, 9. So D will be 3 by 2. Now we have got the common difference, which is 3 by 2. Let us find the second term and the third term. Okay. We know the first term, right? So how do you find the second term? If we add common difference to the first term, you will get the second term. Correct. So A2 is equals to, what is A here? A is 5 plus common difference is 3 by 2. Clear? So if you take the LCM, you will get 2. This is into 2. 5 2s is 10 plus 3. So A2 will be 13 by 2. Okay. So 13 by 2 is nothing but 6 1 by 2. Clear? So A2 is equals to 6 1 by 2. Now we need to find A3 as well. A3 is equals to, by adding common difference to A2, you will get the third term, right? So A2 is 6 1 by 2, which is 13 by 2, plus common difference is 3 by 2. Okay. So if you see the LCM, this is 2, 13 plus 3, which is 16 by 2. This will be 2 ones, 2 8s are 16. So A3 is 8 here. Okay. So A2 is 6 1 by 2 and A3 is 8. Clear? Let us solve the fourth bit. We know this is the first term and this is the second term. This is the third. This is the fourth. This is the fifth term and this is the sixth term. Clear? So first term A is equals to minus 4 and sixth term A6 is equals to 6. So using the sixth term, we will find the common difference first and then we will find the remaining terms. Okay. So what is the formula? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 of D. Using sixth term, we will be finding the common difference. Okay. So A6 is equals to A is minus 4 plus here n is 6. Okay. 6 minus 1 of D. So this will be A6 is 6 minus 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 into D is 5D. I will get this 4 to LHS, which becomes 6 plus 4 is equals to 5D. 6 plus 4 is 10 is equals to 5D. If we want D value, D is equals to 5 ones, 5 twos, right? D is equals to 2. Now we have got the D value, which is 2. Okay. Now let us find second term, third term, fourth term and fifth term. Okay. So how do you get the second term? By adding common difference to the first term, you will get the second term. Okay. Which is A is minus 4 and the common difference is 2. So A2 will be minus 2. Okay. And A3 is, by adding common difference to the second term, you will get the third term. Okay. This is minus 2 plus 2. So you will get A3 as 0. And A4 is, by adding common difference to the third term, you will get A4. That is A4 is equals to A3 is 0 plus D is 2. So A4 is 2. And A5 will be, by adding common difference to the fourth term, you will get the fifth term. So A4 is 2 plus common difference is 2. So A5 is 4. Okay. So A2 is minus 2. A3, the third term is 0. The fourth term is 2 and the fifth term is 4. Clear? So this is the last bit from the third question. So let us solve this. This is the first term, this is the second term, third, fourth, fifth, and this is the sixth term. Okay. So we know second term A2, that is 38, and the sixth term, that is A6, which is minus 22. So using this A2, the second term, we will find the common difference. Okay. So what is the formula? AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. We are using the second term, so A2 is equals to A plus N is 2 here. 2 minus 1 of D. Okay. So A2 is 38 is equals to A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into D is D. We want A value here. So let us take D to LHS, which becomes 38 minus D is equals to A. Okay, let us take this equation number 1. Now using A6, we will solve the problem. A6 is equals to A plus N minus 1 of D. So we know A6, which is minus 22. A plus what is N? N will be 6 here. Okay. 6 minus 1 of D. So minus 22 is equals to A plus 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 into D is 5D. So we know A value as well, right, which is 38 minus D. We will substitute here. So minus 22 is equals to 38 minus D plus 5D. We will take this 38 to LHS. So minus 22 minus 38 is equals to minus D plus 5D is 4D. Okay. Minus 22 minus 38 is minus 60 is equals to 4D. So if you want D value, which becomes minus 60 by 4. Okay. This is 4 ones. 4 ones are 4. 4 fives are 20. Okay. You will get D is equals to minus 15. Okay. So using common difference D value, we will find remaining terms. So if you want first term, that is A, which will be A2 minus D. Okay. So A2 is 38 minus D value is minus 15. So which becomes 38 plus 15 is 53. Okay. So A is 53. And A3 will be A2 plus D. Okay. A2 is 38 plus D is minus 15, which is 38 minus 15. That is A3 will be 38 minus 15 is 23. Okay. Next A4. A4 is A3 plus D. A3 is 23 plus of minus 15. So you will get A4 is equals to 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is 7. So in the same way, we will find A5, which is A4 plus D. A4 is 7 plus of minus 15, which is A5 will be 7 minus 15 is minus 8. Okay, A5 is 8. So the first term A is 53. Third term is 23. Fourth term is 7 and fifth term is minus 8. Clear? So do practice all these problems and let me know if you are facing any difficulty in understanding them. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.